Hey guys, so I'm back with another video to speak with you about something that was highly requested, and it was highly requested via Instagram. I would have shared my onion juice process with you guys on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave my handles up here. Go check me out, follow me. Hello, we need to have some steady communication. So if I'm not here on YouTube, I'm on Instagram sharing. And even if I'm here on YouTube, I share more of my day-to-day stuff on Instagram. So anyways, as I was saying, I am going to show you the recipe that I am using right now, and I'm going to tell you a little bit of the benefits of each of the ingredients used. So as you will see, for my recipe, I use onion, garlic, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of cinnamon, as well as a little bit of slippery elm. And these are all natural ingredients. Your must-have ingredient for onion juice is really your onion. You can use garlic to further infuse the mixture with great properties, and everything else I have added are extras, and so you don't need all of the other extras. And I am not lying, guys. I used this recipe once and I saw immediate results, which is why I am issuing the challenge that I'm going to be issuing in the next 2 videos. So stay tuned for the challenge that I'm giving you guys. So onions have great benefits for hair, for skin, for body, for health. And they are also great when they're ingested. But if you want to, like me, up your hair game, then onions are a great way to topically stimulate your hair follicles. So one of the things that onions are rich in is sulfur, and actually the sulfur is highest in the outermost layers. As you will notice in my video, I just removed the top layer of the skin, but I tried to keep as much of the outer layers as I could. So the sulfur is great for regenerating hair follicles. Sulfur is known to regenerate hair follicles. Sulfur is also known to be great for scalp health. So it gives you antifungal properties, which helps your scalp health along. And as with plants, hair requires a great environment for it to grow. And so onions, the sulfur in onions helps to create this great environment, the soil of your hair, so that it can grow. So it's great for regenerating follicles. It's also great for maintaining scalp health or attaining scalp health. And the sulfur is also great for preventing thinning and breakage. And so that is one purpose of onion juice. And so that is why I began using onion juice, just for my problem areas, which are hair and hair. And you may still see that I have a little bit of thinning. Genetically, my areas here are thinner, but I have definitely seen some improvement compared to when I first used onion juice. Similarly, garlic is high in sulfur, and it's also high in vitamins and minerals. It helps with your strand health as well. For example, it's high in vitamin B6 as well as vitamin C, and these vitamins facilitate great strand health. Also, garlic has sulfur content in it, and it also has antifungal and antimicrobial properties. As you would know, growing up we would use garlic on our nails if we had fungus, and so it helps to give you great scalp health as well. I used just about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and the reason why I used half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in my recipe was because I was using cayenne infused oil after applying the onion juice. So check out my next video that's coming up tomorrow, God willing, and you will see my cayenne pepper infused oil. If you're not using any other cayenne pepper products, then I would advise you to use 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cinnamon has also traditionally been used in natural hair recipes to increase circulation in the scalp area, and so I added a little bit of cinnamon. It's overkill. It really is overkill because I have so much stimulation happening, but you can't lose out. And then I added just about a teaspoon of slippery elm. And as the name suggests, slippery elm has great mucilaginous properties, which means it increases slip. Check out my video on slip. And it also is really great for scalp health as well. It fights against dandruff and dry scalp, and so I added it to my mixture. Onion juice, while it will help with thinning and breakage, it is no miracle worker, and so consistency pays off. So guys, I would encourage that you use it at least every fortnight or at least once a month consistently. Also, just a tip, and I actually got this tip from Green Beauty channel. Please use the onion juice as your first step while your hair is still dry, simply because onion juice has a strong odor and it lasts. And so if you use it as your first step when you go on to your cleansing, your conditioning and your deep conditioning, if you choose to deep condition, it will aid in removing the scent from your hair. The first time I used it, the scent remained. I got a slight whiff of the scent for the next 2 days, very slight. This time around I used stronger products that had stronger perfume, and so that helped a lot. So guys, that is all I have to share. Let me know if you've ever used onion juice before. Let me know if you're willing to try onion juice.
So heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.